Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. Where is Gilenya manufactured and by whom? Gilenya is manufactured by Novartis. Gilenya is manufactured in the Novartis Pharma GmbH manufacturing plant situated in Nuremberg, Germany. Gilenya, fingolimod, is an immunosuppressant that may be used for the treatment of relapsing multiple sclerosis, MS, in adults, and children and adolescents aged 10 years and older. Gilenya is a Novartis Pharmaceuticals Corporation product. Novartis is a Swiss company and its headquarters are in Basel, Switzerland. Novartis also makes other drugs such as carbamazepine, Tegretol, clozapine, Clozaril, cyclosporine, NeoralSandimmune, diclofenac, Voltaren, imatinib mesylate, GleevecGlivec, letrozole, Femara, methylphenidate, Ritalin, terbinafine, Lamisil, valsartan, diavan, and others. Gilenya is manufactured in the Novartis Pharma GmbH manufacturing plant situated in Nuremberg, Germany. How does Gilenya work? Gilenya works by blocking the migration of lymphocytes, a type of immune cell, from the lymph nodes into the bloodstream. Although it is not exactly known how Gilenya exerts its effects in multiple sclerosis, it may be due to a decrease in the migration of lymphocytes into the brain and spinal cord, central nervous system. Gilenya will not cure MS, it will only decrease the frequency of relapse symptoms. What is Gilenya made from? Gilenya is derived from myriocin, ISP1, a natural immunosuppressant and metabolite of the fungus Isarius sinclairi. It was first made by Yoshitomi Pharmaceuticals in 1992 from ISPI through chemical modification. RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.